said wizardry only appears in fairy tales. But when you arrange some mystical-looking words in a certain order, miracles start to happen. Homes come alive. Cars move on their own. Isn't it real?
I don't think so.
But how can we travel to another world in a click?
Do you know how many clicks it takes for it to be just in a click?
Come on. What about food that comes by itself?
Did you mean by a huge team of developers?
But you get everything you want with a glance. I'm telling you, it is pure
magic! What did you do to me?
I don't know. Maybe it's magic?
Or maybe it's just the effort of millions of developers empowered by the right tools.
Nice.
JetBrains IDEs. Make it happen with code.